Are you a pharmacist feeling stuck in a low growth, low paying role? You feel like your career isn't going anywhere. You may have heard about corporate pharma roles like pharmacovigilance, but are they actually worth it? In this video, we will break down what these jobs actually offer, the growth potential, and whether they could be the career boost you have been waiting for. Let's dive in. I started in a traditional pharmacist role. It gave me basic experience, but growth was limited. Exposure was minimal and career progression was slow. I realized my work wasn't matching my long term goals. That's when I discovered pharmacovigilance. It felt like a path with clear growth, where I could use my pharmacy knowledge and shape my career. Pharmacovigilance stood out to me because it is a field that focuses on patient safety, scientific documentation, and regulatory compliance. I could actively use my clinical knowledge while working in a structured corporate environment. On top of that, it offered long term growth, continuous learning, and the chance to work with global systems and regulations. It felt like a career path where I could truly grow, evolve, and make a meaningful impact. Pharmacovigilance isn't the only path. There are plenty of other options as well, like clinical research, where you will be working on clinical trials to see how new drugs perform. Then clinical data management, where you will be handling and analyzing the data from clinical trials. Then regulatory affairs, making sure drug meets all the rules and regulations both in India and globally. Medical writing, where you will be preparing scientific reports, documents, and research papers. Then HEOR, studying how effective and cost efficient drugs really are. Pharma business analytics, where you will be using data to help companies make smart business decisions. The key here is to pick a field that matches your interests, skills, and long term career goals. The starting pay in pharmacovigilance may not be very high for freshers, but some people do get good package right from the beginning depending on their skills, experience, and the city they work in. Pharmacovigilance is a skill-based field. Once you gain experience and get a good grasp of the process, your career growth and salary can increase rapidly. You can get raises within your current company, and if you feel there is more opportunity elsewhere, moving to another company can also bring a significant pay jump. To get into pharmacovigilance, I did a course and got hands-on experience on things like case processing, safety databases, medical coding systems, industry standard documentation, and all this helped me crack the interview with the confidence. I did take a course, but you don't actually need a course to get into pharmacovigilance. What really matters is whether you know the basics. Companies aren't hiring for certificates, they hire for concept clarity. And that's what exactly matters in your interview. If you choose to do a course, take one that fits your budget and offers practical industry oriented training. If you can't afford a course, no worries. You can still break into this field through self-learning. You have to focus on what is pharmacovigilance, ICSR life cycle, the difference between serious versus non-serious adverse event, expected versus unexpected reaction, medra basics and medical coding concept, then the safety case flows, etc. In India, many students have already invested a lot in their pharmacy degree. So don't feel pressure to spend more money. What truly matters here is the concept clarity, interview readiness, then willingness to learn on the job. Certificate doesn't matter here much. So if you are a B.Pharm, M.Pharm or PharmD graduate who is interested in patient safety, enjoys documentation work, and is willing to learn industry tools, pharmacovigilance could be a great career choice. Just remember, this is a long-term career. The real financial and professional growth comes with experience. If you stay consistent and keep upgrading your skills, pharmacovigilance can offer you a stable and rewarding future. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharma career guidance.